Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Host Defense Lion's Mane, a mushroom supplement claiming to support memory, focus, and brain health. Here's what we found. Lion's Mane is backed by some research for supporting nerve growth and cognitive function. While taking Host Defense, we noticed slightly improved focus during long work sessions and less brain fog. The effects were subtle but real after consistent use. The pros are organic mushroom sourcing, solid reputation, and mild cognitive benefits. The cons are that results are gradual, not dramatic, and the supplement is more expensive than generic Lion's Mane powders. Overall, Host Defense Lion's Mane is legit. It won't make you a genius overnight, but it can support focus and mental clarity if taken consistently. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.